Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about partial fractions. And we're going to do this one. Okay, so first we're going to factor the bottom. And so we multiply those, it's negative 2, 1 and 2, make a negative 2, and we can do box method. That's 2x squared, negative 1, x, negative 2x. Okay, so we can take out a 2x here, we can take out a 1 here, we can take out an x here, and a negative 1 there. So we can rewrite this as 2x plus 1 and x minus 1. Okay, so we haven't integrated or done anything like that yet. Now, using our partial fractions, we can rewrite this as a plus b, 2x plus 1, or x minus 1. And then if we just get common denominators with this, so actually to make this more clear, I'm going to drop the integral stuff for a second. Okay. So this has both pieces. This is missing the x minus 1. This is missing the 2x plus 1. And so basically the bottom goes away because we could multiply both sides by 2x plus 1, x minus 1 on this side and on this side. So it would cancel here, cancel here, cancel here. So we're just left with okay. And then if we plug in x equals 1, which is the root of this, plug in x equals 1, this is going to go away, and then we're just left with this. And so we can, we'll have 7 times 1 minus 1 is equal to b times 2 times 1 plus 1. So it's going to be 2 plus 1, so that's 3. So 3b. This is going to be 7 minus 1, which is 6. And so b is equal to 2. Then we'll plug in the root from here, which 2x plus 1 equals 0. 2x equals negative 1. So x is equal to negative 1/2. So we'll plug that in right here. So 7, negative 1/2 minus 1 equals a negative 1/2 minus 1. And then if we do it here, it's going to end up being a 0. It's going to be 2 times negative 1/2 plus 1. 2's will cancel. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Alright. So it's going to be negative 7/2 minus, I'm going to call this 2 over 2, just getting a common denominator. So it's negative 9/2 equals a. And if I call this 2 over 2 also, that's going to be negative 3/2. Multiply both sides by the reciprocal. Negatives cancel, 2's cancel, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And so a is equal to 3. So we can come back up here and rewrite this. So we're going to get 7x minus 1 over 2x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to, plug in 3 for a, 2 for b, and then we can integrate both sides. But when we integrate this, we're going to see that this is our natural log of 2x plus 1 in absolute value, and then we just have that, we have the 3 from the beginning, and then we also multiply by the derivative of the inside, or divide by the derivative of the inside, with a kind of a reverse chain rule thing. And then this is going to give us 2 natural log of x minus 1. We would divide by the derivative of the inside, but it's just 1, so it doesn't affect it. And then plus c. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.